Hi, hello, welcome to you all for another episode. In this episode, we are going to discuss about location profile. If you are watching first time, this is Vijayalakshmi. This is the platform where I am sharing some videos and documents and articles in Microsoft Dynamics and Business Central. This is another prerequisite for advanced warehouse setup, that is whatever the locations here we have created: receiving location, quality checkup location, and packing location, better location like this, or shipping location like this. In our profile, location profile, we are going to create some creation of rules. Rules for locations. Locations like if it is like receiving, or we need to mix up all products mixed together. Like if it is storage location, again here we are going to create some rules for our storage locations. Like how, let us see how it's going to be work. Warehouse management, again set up the warehouse. We can able to see location profiles. Click on it. We are going to create new one, which could be advanced warehouse test. Here we are going to tag the location format what we have created, that is receiving location, and then location type we have created now. Receiving location, so or you need to track with the license plate, or how it's going to be work. Allow negative inventory, no. Allow mixed items, okay, fine, it's allow no. For a receiving location, inventory status is not mandatory, but even I'm not enabling this toggle. Storage unit storage, like here storage dimensions, here we can able to give, and what are the example we can give location dimensions. What is the width of a location, what is the size of a location, what's the volume, how much quantity can be hold in a location. Like this we can able to mention, and maximum location we can maximum weight we can able to use, we can able to specify here. And then coming to be here, exceeded location capacity, if they're having access quantity, or how much quantity it is, how much overflow of our products we are having. Like this here we can able to mention, but it's not like that. For this location format, those and all not required, but okay, then save. Again new, because I need to create it for storage, location format. Here we can able to select storage location, and the location type, it's an inventory storage. Allow product dimension mixing. Yeah, unit license plate tracking is a mandatory for advanced warehouse. We can able to select native inventory is not. Allow mixed items, it's okay for us. Then yes, yeah, if it is anything like this we can able to select here. Yeah, that's all. Then save. New quality, check. We are again we are tagging the locations what we are created previously, location format and location type, quality check. Then allow mix items, okay fine. License plate is also mandatory. Allow cycle counting, it could be helpful for reconciliation purpose or something else. Override rule for a batch days, yes. In a quality checkup it may take 10 and according to the requirement. And a location, no, for our storage dimensions it need to be allow cycle counting for our storage dimensions, and enable license plate positioning, it's mandatory. Then we need to create it for shipping, packing. I think so this format have been not created, so let's do create it. Duplicate the tab. Now we need to create a location format. We are going to tag a packing location. Then use license plate. Negative inventory is not allowed. Allow all mixed items. Cycle counting. Enable location. Yes. Then new again. Again we are going to tag here what are the required forms what we are creating. Allow cycle counting, allow mixed values. Yeah, that's all. Save. Yeah, that's all for the video. Thank you for watching.